Content AI, Semrush, how does it work? So you can create Contentshake AI account. So go to the official website and sign in with an account. If you already have one, just log in with your credentials and then integrate Content AI with Semrush. So currently Content AI does not have an official integration directly inside Semrush, but you can manually use both tools together for a streamlined content creation and optimization workflow. Here's how you do it. Option 1 is using Semrush for SEO research and strategy, then content creation with Contentshake AI. So conduct keyword research with Semrush. So log into your Semrush account, navigate to keyword analysis and keyword overview. Enter your target keywords to get data on keyword difficulty, search volume, and more. Use this data to create a content strategy around the most relevant and high traffic keywords. Then analyze competitor content. Go to Semrush's organic research tool to view top ranking competitor websites. Then review how your competitors are ranking for chosen keywords, including their content length, keyword usage, and backlink profile. Then copy the SEO data into Contentshake AI. After gathering your keyword insights and content strategy from Semrush, log into the Contentshake AI. Create a new content draft by providing the keywords and ideas based on your Semrush research. Then generate content in Contentshake AI. Use Contentshake AI's content generator to produce high quality articles, blog posts, and social media content based on the keywords you identified in Semrush. You can input instructions for specific SEO goals, such as targeting long tail keywords, creating SEO optimized headlines, or including meta descriptions. Then edit and optimize the content. Once the Content AI generates your content, just use Semrush's SEO writing assistant to analyze it for SEO optimization. The SEO writing assistant provides real-time suggestions for optimizing your content with keywords, readability, and structure. Then optimize content for SEO. Log into Semrush and navigate to the SEO writing assistant tool. Copy and paste your content from Contentshake AI into the SEO writing assistant. This tool will provide suggestions to optimize your content for SEO, including keyword density, readability, and tone. Then check keyword use. Ensure that the content includes the target keywords from your Semrush research. The writing assistant will highlight areas where you might need to add or adjust keywords to improve ranking potential. Then improve readability and engagement, and check content for plagiarism. Then just publish and track the content performance. If this helped you, subscribe, but for now, goodbye.